AI just learned how to farm. No tractors, no farmers, just machines, scanning plants and making decisions faster than any human ever could. Welcome to the era of autonomous agriculture, where your food might be grown by algorithms. In Salinas Valley, California, rows of lettuce stretch for miles. But today, the farmers aren't humans. They're AI-powered robots. Companies like Verdant Robotics and Stout Industrial Technology are building autonomous machines that scan individual crops, detect pests, and spray microdoses of chemicals with surgical precision. These bots don't just follow GPS. They learn, adapt, and optimize in real time. Forget tractors. These new machines use LiDAR, high-res cameras, and computer vision models to scan every plant. They analyze leaf color for signs of stress. They target weeds with pinpoint laser bursts. And soon, they'll make harvest decisions without human input. Some robots already map entire fields in 3D, building plant-level intelligence no human farmer could match. Labor shortages are crushing agriculture. Fewer people want to pick crops under the sun for 12 hours a day. AI offers a seductive solution. Tireless workers, perfect memory, no paychecks. But there's a price. As machines take over, human expertise fades. Small farmers can't afford million-dollar robots. And in a cyberpunk twist, agriculture becomes hyper-centralized, controlled by whoever owns the code. Picture a dystopia where giant agri-tech core run autonomous megafarms, managed by server rooms and drone fleets. The Earth becomes a giant, data-optimized spreadsheet. No soil under your nails, no human touch. Just efficient yields and artificial weather reports. Is that sustainable? Or just another step into synthetic life? When AI starts deciding what grows and when, who controls the food chain? What happens when a software update breaks a harvest? Or when someone hacks your cornfield? One thing's clear. AI won't just change how we eat. It'll change who gets to feed the future. Let us know in the comments. Would you trust a robot with your dinner? If this kind of tech-fueled future gets you thinking, make sure to hit that like button. It really helps us keep exploring the edge of tomorrow. And don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into cyberpunk reality, AI revolutions, and the strange future that's already unfolding. Stay wired, stay curious. See you next time.